All right, let's do an unboxing on the American Kitchen 3-quart Saucier pan. This is possibly the most unassuming packaging I have seen in a while. Pop open the end and take a look. One of the reasons I picked this pan up is it actually is made in the USA. Got a tube. Packaged relatively nicely. Have lid. It's stainless steel. It's a decent weight. The rivets seem to be quite nice. Looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the pan. First, the obligatory info, use and care. Pan has a nice weight to it. It's not too heavy, not too light. The handle, the only thing I would say on the handle that I'm not liking, it's riveted really well. This kind of shape right here, it gets you almost a little too much grip. It bites into your hand just a little bit. If this is a bigger pan, that would be a problem. It's got a nice curve to it though, right here. This is ready for whatever cooktop you've got, whether it be gas, electric, induction, whatever. Now, 3 quarts. This is pretty much the perfect size for doing sauce. So any of your pretty sauces that you don't want to burn, this is what you want to use. It is a clad pan, so this is stainless with aluminum sandwiched in between, and then another layer of stainless. Super easy to clean because it's stainless. And it should give very even heating and cooking. Overall, I would give this a complete thumbs up. This is this pan feels really nice. The construction feels really solid, and I'm honestly very excited to go put it to use. So if you need a Saucier, if you've been thinking about a Saucier pan, I feel like this one is very reasonably priced. The quality seems very good, and I don't have any qualms recommending the American Kitchen 3-quart Saucier to you.